Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to talk about a cool new strop that we've had on the market for just a little while. It's our official paddle strop. And no, it's not for cricket. It's not for discipline. It is for stropping a razor. You might say to yourself, why would I need this? Well, it's really cool for travel, or if you do a lot of honing and you want to be able to have kind of a bench strop, not have to have a hanging strop constantly. This is a great tool. So it has two sides to it. It has a cork side, and it's got a latigo leather side. And so all you need to do is just go like this, and I'll hold it up so you guys can see. Again, we're gonna make kind of a real gradual X pattern because this is just a little bit more narrow than my blade. The blade's about 3 inches. This is probably 2 3/4 or so. And so you could just go in a nice X pattern. First on your cork side, flip it over. Same on your leather side. And that's all there is to it. Again, a great product for travel, great if you do a lot of stropping and you want to maybe have one close by, or if you just don't like the hanging thing, maybe you live in a dorm room and it's just impossible to hang it, or you have a tight situation in your bathroom. This is a great alternative, and I actually love paddle straps. I think they are a gem, a little secret of the straight razor world. So that's all I have. It's a short video. Check out our new paddle strap, and if you leave a comment, have you used a paddle strap? Do you have a small bathroom that doesn't allow for a hanging strap? Let us know in the comments, and if you do leave a comment, you're entered to win this, the Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. Thank you so much for checking out our channel, and we'll see you here at Razor Emporium next time for all things vintage shaving.